Hi, I'm Carl from DFI, here to show you how quick and easy a Diamon-Fusion Pro application can be. This is a protective coating that comes in a 1-liter bottle and does approximately 2,500 square feet. So a little bit goes a long way. Before we begin though, you want to make sure that your glass is nice and clean. You can use Sprayway, for example, or virtually any kind of glass cleaner, but we want to make sure the glass is free of dust and oil and debris and so forth. Again, a very easy application. I'm going to be able to coat this in about 4 sprays. We're going to divide it in half, and I'm just going to spray this side first and make sure I spread it around back and forth before we go into overlapping circular motions, making sure to get those edges and corners. Again, to this side, back and forth, up and down, and circular motions. Corners, edges, and so forth. So for all intents and purposes, that glass is now coated. There's no cure time, as I said, and this is what you should see if you ever want to test the efficacy of the coating. Spraying water on it. As you can see, we have nice tight beads, uniform beads, very hydrophobic. That's what you're looking for in a successful coating. However, if you see any excess haze or excess silicone oil, I should say, just use some isopropyl alcohol, or again, Sprayway works well, but this is the best way to go. And spray it on and buff it out. You can wrap this thing, and you're good to go. So that's the Diamon-Fusion Pro application. Thank you for joining us.